Hi, we've met Dani sometimes around 2011 while we've been in Seattle. We used to live in the United States for some time, and we met him. He was giving a lecture about investment in the US, and as a beginners, we were very much not sure about if to go or not with this direction. And one of the things that was the most made the impression that Dani looks like a professional and a very reliable guy, and as such we decided to give it a chance. And since then, I mean, we are already maybe 9 years after. Over the years, we were working with Dani, and we did a few investments, real estate investments. One of the investments what just ended 2 weeks ago, and we bought a house, I think sometimes around 2012, and we just sold it for 3.5 times what we bought it. And this house and few others investments where we did it with Dani. Dani